I'll have to. Okay, hold on 1 second. Are you taking this seriously, mister? Is it your job to walk around on these circles? Yeah? Oh. Kick that ball. Oh, that's right. You get it. Oh, this kid is meant to play soccer, I'm telling you. Oh, my gosh. Oh, kick it, Grady, kick it. Kick it. Oh, or collapse on the ground next to it. And then lay on your side and look at it. Oh, my gosh. I love you, baby.